Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO Reno 5 and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, let's tap on it, and here we have to scroll in order to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again, and at the very bottom we've got backup and reset option, and here we've got data erasure section, so let's tap on the only option we've got there, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and tap on this red reset system settings only. If you are sure that you want to continue, just tap again on reset system settings only, so let's tap on it and let's wait a second. And as you can see, the system settings have been restored successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset system settings in your OPPO Reno 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.